Well, this happened during the last snowstorm that we had on Monday, January 22nd of 2018. This is a snowdrift that, well, you wouldn't call it a snowdrift. That's a snowdrift over two of my trucks back there, but that is, looks almost like a tongue created by the snow and the wind, hanging over the edge of the building here. It's got a nice ridge in the middle of it and a split in the middle, but yeah, it looks like a tongue, doesn't it? I could just grab a shovel and break it off, but it just looks too cool. There used to be a Cadillac parked in that spot, empty spot there, but the guys that owned it moved it. Anyway, it could be interesting if another winter storm made that even bigger. There's drifts of snow landed on the nose of my 2011 Ranger, and then my 2004 Ranger's behind it back there. There's another pile of snow. Tried to start this thing a few minutes ago and the battery's dead, so oh crap. Anyway, my 2009 Ranger has been working pretty good, except the gas mileage sucks with the off-road tires on it, but gets through the snow pretty well. But here I'll get a side shot of Mother Nature's tongue right there. Maybe I should get a flashlight and shine on the back of it. I got some flashlights in my truck. Yeah, it's got to be a good, it's probably hanging down a good 2 feet from the roof. I bet that's 40 to 50 pounds of snow right there. Just hanging below the roof, not including the snow on top of the roof. Yeah, this is an old building. It was built, I think, sometime in the 70s. This roof isn't, well, it'll bow. If we get a lot of snow on it, it'll bow. So maybe this isn't the greatest place to park my trucks, but I rent here. That's right where the split of the tongue is, right there. Ice hanging down. I can imagine the owner, she might ask me to remove that from the roof, or maybe have one of her sons do that. But nature did this. Just snow and wind. It just sculpted all this. See the ridges, different layers of the snow. It's kind of cool. I remember as a kid on the farm when I was about 5 or so, an icicle grew from the roof of the house we were living in. And the icicle looked like a shotgun, and my dad showed it to me. I remember it looked very much like a gun. But anyway, well, Oh, my snow blower is broke down. I gotta get a part for it so the drive mechanism will engage. But maybe Friday I can fix my snow blower and do a cleanup here, since the owner's son just did a quick plow through here. But there's Mother Nature's tongue in snow. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Please see my other videos. Bye.